Dear partners, hello. I want to greet you. We are a global community, so good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and thank you for being online live with us today. My name is Alexandra Capozzo. I am the CEO of the Global Foot and Mouth Disease Research Alliance. And on behalf of the Executive Committee and the Organizing Committee, I want to welcome all of you to the 2021 edition of the GFRA Scientific Meeting. This time, we are located in Buenos Aires. We regret the pandemic did not allow us to meet in person. So this is the first virtual meeting we will hold together, and of course, it's a challenge for all of us. I'm honored to lead the GFRA, a networking community focused on improving the scientific knowledge on foot and mouth disease, providing novel tools to help with FMD control, and promoting networking between scientists from endemic and non-endemic countries. All the science we've been doing along the years provided information of the virus itself and the disease, of course, but also in how to deal with transboundary, highly contagious viral diseases. And this has been particularly important for this COVID pandemic, as we will learn today as well. Just an example of the importance of our scientific activities. The GFRA always holds fantastic scientific meetings with very long discussion panels, and this time we will have them in a virtual format. So feel free to use our Q&A channel to ask all the questions, to make your voice heard, to leave your point of view. The technical committee, led by Maria Cruz Miraglia, had worked really hard with the local organizing committee and our broadcasting provider to produce this platform, the platform we are using right now, and all the contents you can find there. So I'm grateful to Maria Cruz, Florencia, and the whole team for their fantastic contribution. The scientific committee, headed by Mari Gismondi and Mariano Perez Filgueira, they put together an outstanding program. You will see we are covering all the thematic areas, as we always do in our meetings, where we'll have sessions on diagnostics, epidemiology, virology, vaccines, therapeutic interventions, and immunology as well. We will have keynote speakers for each thematic area, and the oral sessions will be headed by invited speakers, followed by selected abstracts to complete all the oral presentations. The International Scientific Committee selected all the speakers, and we are also thankful to all our colleagues who helped with the evaluation of the abstracts and also helped selecting the ones that are now in the oral sessions. So overall, I would like to congratulate the entire scientific committee members for their outstanding contribution to this meeting. I also want to thank our sponsors for their support for this meeting. Many of them have been supporting us for several years, so thank you. Let me name all of them by alphabetical order. Our gold sponsors are Biogenesis Vago and Boehringer Ingelheim. We have silver sponsors. They are CGB, Indian Immunologicals Limited, and Medical Ethics. And Median Diagnostics is accompanying us as a bronze sponsor. You will find their booth in our platform, and we encourage you to visit them and get to know more about their products and services. We are also honored to have institutional support for the National Institute of Technology of Argentina, what is called INTA, where all the local organizing committee members work, actually, including me. So we are also accompanied by other animal health organizations as FAO and EUFMD, who are working together as well. So you can see the posters, the abstracts, and the video of the poster presentations on this platform. In addition, we have a surprise this time for the meeting. We are going to meet in GatherTown, where you can build your own avatar and you can get together with other participants. I'm going to show you just very quickly how this GatherTown works. So you can see there, when you go to the main foyer, you have the poster exhibition GatherTown that is also for the coffee breaks. And when you go in there, you will get into the GatherTown site and you have a character that you can edit. That's my little avatar. Then you join the gathering with your name. So write your name in there so we can meet. And as you can see, I am now in the foyer. This is me moving around. You can go up and down, left and right with the arrows. You will see that you will find our sponsors there. You will have the poster rooms. And this is very nice. You can see there in that screen. If you press X on your keyboard, you can see all the posters that you will find in that poster room. So if you get into the poster room, this is fine. It's like playing with you. You will find the posters. And these shaded areas that you can see there, they are private places. So if you get in there, no one else can listen what you are doing inside. So you go there and you press X on your keyboard and you can see the posters. So, and you can also interact. You have a camera up there and a microphone, and you can interact with the presenter and with other people that are having a look at the poster at the same time. And I think that the nicest part of this platform is that you can move to, for example, the coffee room, and you can have private areas where you can meet with other partners. So if you enter this rack and you sit on that chair, you will be able to actually see other people interact live, and no one else will be listening to you. So this is how the platform works. There is more to tell you, but I will do it along all the meeting. And now I give the word to Frank, who will finally introduce our meeting. So thank you so much for being there. Frank, it's your turn. Okay, so Frank is not online. They're telling me, I don't know what happened. So I officially open up this meeting for all of you. Hope you enjoy it. And now we start with the opening session. Have a good morning, good evening, good night on the other side of the world, wherever you are. Thank you.